People say freedom is quitting your job, going nude at 4 a.m, or buying a one-way ticket. But when you find freedom, you realise it's all in the lens. Let me explain. Some see jungle. You see a playground. Others see strange. You see expression. Some look for celebrity. You gaze at stars. It's 6 a.m. yoga and dancing till sunrise. You don't just hear beats. You feel vibrations. Explosions. They say you need to see the world, but it's not as important as seeing yourself.